In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an agent using Zillow, a popular real estate platform that can connect you with professionals to help you buy or sell your home. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you know exactly how to navigate this handy tool. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Zillow's website. Once there, it's important to ensure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account to access the full range of features that Zillow offers. Logging in will help you keep track of your searches and save your preferences for future reference. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll want to look for the Find an Agent button. This is a crucial step as it directs you to the section where you can begin searching for real estate agents. Clicking on this button will bring up a listing of available agents in your area. Here comes a useful part of Zillow's service. You have a couple of ways to refine your search. You can search by the location you're interested in, or even by the agent's name if you already have someone specific in mind. Zillow provides a comprehensive list, making it easy to browse through your options and select someone who fits your needs. Once you've clicked Enter on your search, you'll see a detailed list of agents in the specified area. Now, this is where Zillow's filters come in handy. You can refine your results by applying various filters according to your preferences. For instance, entering a specific price range ensures you team up with an agent who fits within your budget. Another useful option is filtering by the agent's specialty, which is perfect if you're looking for someone with particular expertise, be it residential, commercial, or otherwise. Moreover, Zillow also allows you to filter by language, facilitating communication if you speak a language other than English. However, if you're unsure and looking for guidance, Zillow also highlights top agents based on performance and reviews, ensuring you're choosing from the best. And if hyperlocal presence is important to you, Zillow makes it effortless to connect with a local agent. Simply click on Connect with a local agent after narrowing down your preferences. Here, you'll need to complete your profile by entering your email and phone details. This allows the agent to first reach out to you via text, enabling a smooth interaction to kick off your real estate journey. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to find and connect with an agent using Zillow. This process, although simple, can make a huge difference in ensuring that your real estate transactions are handled professionally, efficiently, and tailored to your particular needs. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting!